Good morning. Although not everyone has arrived yet, we will start now. Welcome again to the Fraunhofer HHI. My name is Peter Eisert, and I'm working here at the Fraunhofer HHI in the area of computer vision and graphics. I'm having there also a group dealing with 3D media, and we are also involved in several European projects, and two of them are 3D Life, a network of excellence dealing with 3D media and also the communication industry. And then we have a second one, EMC Squared, which is a center of excellence for media, communication and computing. And actually, this EMC Squared is today organizing this workshop on the future of 3D media. And the idea was to bring together different researchers from industry, from research institutes, but mainly from industry, in order to discuss the development of 3D. There has been a lot of things going on in the last years. So when I started with my PhD, I also worked on 3D imaging and 3D media, but this was a rather exotic topic. So you needed particular hardware, workstation, so no one could do it, and it was a bit crazy. But today it's in all our lives. So we see 3D cinemas, which are a big market. You see 3D productions. So there's also 3D TV going on. We don't know yet if this will be a similar success. So there are other obstacles to take. But we also have a large range of 3D applications, ranging from medical applications, security applications, many applications in the area of entertainment, multimedia. Also augmented reality is now going to happen. And this is also due to the new devices that are coming up. So a couple of years ago, you need a high-end workstation to do 3D. Nowadays, an iPhone is sufficient. You have hardware acceleration. You have multiple cameras in there. Cameras are cheap. Devices are cheap. Computing power is cheap. So now you have the opportunity of 3D. But there are still many issues to solve, and that's also where this workshop should help identifying things that need to be taken and also where they can be done. So also a couple of years ago, most innovation in 3D was done at universities or at research centers, but now we see also a big market for 3D. We have small companies starting with 3D technology. They even make money from 3D, so that's possible. And now also the big players are also turning into the 3D market, which is also a sign that, that 3D will maybe survive for a longer time and give new applications. And today we will discuss these issues. So we have for that set up a tight program. So we have several speakers invited. So we have several talks on innovation centers. So we will show our 3D Innovation Center. There are other initiatives in Spain and in France, and we will see how they are going to proceed. We will have talks about 3D technology that has been transferred from the research domain to small companies. But we will also have demonstrations later on. So we will have showcases showing technologies. We will show our new cinema, which is in the other building. We will show different demos around here. So there are several rooms where we have some demonstrators that will be shown to you what 3D technology can offer maybe in the next time. And at the end, we will have a panel discussion discussing all these 3D issues that we have discussed also during the workshop. Regarding maybe the organization, we are a small group, so you could just ask us if you need anything. We have wireless set up, so it should be, I don't have wireless, but you should have them in your badges. I hope it works. If not, then you have to tell us. We'll set up the demos over there, so if you need any technical equipment, please help or ask us, and then we try to solve your problem. Yeah, maybe I will announce some other issues a bit later, but now we can start with the workshop. So, and we will start with our first talk on the 3D Innovation Center. That's an innovation center that we built in the next room, and the talk is given by Ralf Schäfer, and Ralf Schäfer is the head